Uned 27. Rhaid. When we want to say that we must do something, or something has to happen, we use the word rhaid. Let's look at the word being used in sentences that you can use in a school setting. Remember, you can adapt the person and activity in each of the following to suit what you would like to say yn Gymraeg. Mae rhaid I fi wrando. I must listen. Mae rhaid I ti ganu. You must sing. Mae rhaid iddo fe gerdded yn araf. He must walk slowly. Mae rhaid iddi fwyta'r tost. She must eat the toast. As we have looked at in previous patterns, normal sentence patterns start with mae. To turn these into questions, we start them with oes. Oes rhaid I fi wrando? Must I listen? Oes rhaid I ti ganu? Must you sing? Oes rhaid iddo fe gerdded yn araf? Must he walk slowly? Oes rhaid iddi fwyta'r tost? Must she eat the toast? And, as previously learnt, the negative form of these patterns would start with does dim. Does dim rhaid I fi wrando. I don't have to listen. Does dim rhaid I ti ganu. You don't have to sing. Does dim rhaid iddo fe gerdded yn araf. He doesn't have to walk slowly. Does dim rhaid iddi fwyta'r tost. She doesn't have to eat the toast. These are the key patterns in this unit as you learn to use rhaid. Keep practicing to gain more confidence as you go. Pob hwyl!